Hello everyone, welcome to my garden. Before I start today's lavender pruning, I want to share something honestly. This lavender plant here recently dried out. When I checked the stems by scratching them, there is no green inside, only brown wood. With lavender, when there is no green tissue left, the plant usually cannot recover. I believe this happened mainly because of poor drainage and watering balance. Lavender needs well-drained soil, but it still needs watering at the right time, especially during warm periods. Gardening is not always perfect, and sometimes plants teach us important lessons. This experience reminded me how important soil drainage and proper watering are, especially in New Zealand's climate. But the good news is that my other lavender plants are doing very well. I pruned them earlier in midsummer, and they recovered nicely. Now they are healthy again and even starting to produce a few new blooms. So today, I'm going to show you how I'd prune these lavender plants in autumn to keep them healthy and compact. Before I start cutting, let me show you where I'm going to prune. I'm holding this stem with my hand to show the level. Because it's autumn, I'm only cutting above this point, just above the green leafy part. I avoid cutting into the woody stems below because lavender usually does not grow back well from old wood. Leaving some green growth helps the plant stay healthy and continue growing. Now I'm removing the old flower stems and trimming the plant slightly. This helps tidy the plant and keep it compact. Pruning lavender at the right time during the year is very important. During summer, after the main flowering period, a light prune helps, removes spent flowers, and sometimes encourages another round of blooms. In autumn, like I'm doing today, it's best to do a gentle pruning. This mainly removes the old flower stems and shapes the plant so it stays neat and healthy through winter. Then in spring, when the weather becomes warmer and the plant starts growing actively again, you can do a harder prune. Spring pruning encourages fresh growth and helps the plant produce more flowers during the growing season. While pruning, I also try to shape the plant into a small round bush. This helps air circulation and allows sunlight to reach the inner parts of the plant. As you can see, after pruning, the lavender looks much neater and healthier. This will help the plant stay strong through winter and produce beautiful flowers again next season. Thank you for visiting my garden today. If you enjoy real gardening experiences and simple garden tips, please subscribe to Garden Glow for more videos from my garden.